job number 20243167, pulling back from the connection to the city main in the street. Cleaning was performed several months ago, and we have completed replacement of the interior building drain in the basement. 4-inch pipe has been sleeved into the 6-inch sewer this time and will be connected tomorrow by our excavation division. Pulling back. Large root mass at 76 feet. Here we have entered our PVC stub into the 6-inch sewer. We are now from here on out observing the building drain and pulling back to the most upstream stack in the basement. Material is PVC. Here is the front clean out for the home. This clean out replaces a 6-inch clay house trap that had been there previously. Little 90-90 offset. Floor drain connects here. Bend. 4-inch stack serving both bathrooms connects here. We're headed up the most upstream stack. Laundry tub connects here. And this is our clean out.